What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I am here with special guests. This is Master P. Say hello, Master P. Hello. This is a little pigeon I rescued from work. I work at a mine, and there's a lot of dusty areas. This little juvenile pigeon, Master P, was found by my coworkers in a big pile of dust, and he can't fly yet. So I took him home, and he's been hanging out with me ever since yesterday. Well, I'm rehabilitating him, and maybe one day he's gonna fly away. Maybe he might fly away and then stay. Who knows? But I do have a soft spot for animals. Life is the most precious natural resource, and I do more than just kill animals. Okay, I like to help them too. I am a hunter, but that's not what my life is all about. So here he is chilling. Gave him a bath yesterday, put him in the little crate, some seed and water. He's been eating and drinking, and seems to be doing all right. I believe it's a female pigeon, but that's to be determined as his feathers fill in. He's got these little yellow baby feathers sticking out here and there. He's got a lot of soft fluff, especially under the wings. So at my job, there's a lot of pigeons everywhere in all the different buildings, this and that. It's an incredibly dusty environment, and it is not uncommon to see a dead pigeon walking around because they just drop dead every now and then from inhaling too much dust, I assume. Could be other things. It could be drinking the water around the mine that's not potable and used for other purposes. I'm only speculating, but he's a little nervous bird. Look at him stretching out. Oh, that's a good shot of underneath the wings. He's a little nervous bird, nervous at first. Gets kind of scared when I reach for him, but I'm gonna keep picking him up in the hand and see if it gets used to me. And maybe one day he just wants to stay, and I'll build him a birdhouse. But he's a decent sized little bird. He's got some purplish tint coming out on the neck, so maybe he's a male. I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're gonna show you an update of how the house is coming along. I got a whole wall up. I got a window in. And in a week or two, well, this weekend I'll be putting in the water heater. Hopefully get that all dialed in. And the following week, I will be tearing down the porch so I could do that side of the house, the outside wall, the right way. Because I don't want to do it half-assed. That's not how we do stuff around here. So I'm just gonna hang out with him, let him walk around. It's a wild pigeon, and he's my pet for now. So one sad thing that happened over the last few weeks is that this Joshua tree blew over with the high winds. It's probably a couple hundred years old. They don't grow very much each year. And when I got this place last year, it had just a little bit of life. It was on its way out. Well, the winds blew it over. I haven't gotten around to hauling it out from the location it fell, but I got Master P up there, and he's trying to figure out what to do. Looks like he's thinking about jumping off. But yeah, so rehabilitation. Right on, look at, he's coming back over here. So that's cool. He's not trying to run away, he's just kind of checking everything out. I guess that's a good sign. Maybe he wants to be my buddy. So here is one of the walls done. This is first wall I got done so far. And trying to get the water heater in there. Build a box around it. I'm not getting enough pressure out of the water line to activate the water heater, so right in here I'm gonna have to splice in the pump. I'm gonna have to cut this copper piece, put the pump in right there. At least that's the idea for now. The walls themselves, they're not very hard to do. It's all about just stripping off the old layer, which was this, I don't even know what you call it, paneling. Cutting your OSB to size, or plywood, whatever you choose to use. Nail it up there, get yourself a hand, and then add this roofing roll stuff. Starting at the bottom and overlapping each layer as you would go up. Use a lot of staples, especially here with the high winds, and get it done. My outhouse did turn out pretty decent. Here it is. We got the all pallet wood frame. At the side walls using the roofing metal material on the roof as well. See that? Wall done. I repurposed this hammer handle I had that broke for a toilet roll holder. Got the toilet. I'll put a bag of lime in here and start throwing lime down into the hole. Hopefully I could extend the life of each hole I got to dig. I can move it around pretty easily. And it's totally 100% recycled materials. So that's all there really is to it. Like I said before, working with pallet wood is not as easy as they make it seem on YouTube. You're going to end up making a big mess. You need a grinder, you need a sawzall. But overall, it's pretty solid. It's held up so far. I do plan on adding more material to the back right there and fabricating some type of door right here. That way to help block the wind. It looks as though my toilet paper got blown out by the wind. So I guess I gotta keep that in mind. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, whatever. You're gonna be wiping your ass with it anyway. Anyways, it's a nice day. It's a nice evening. I've been working 12-hour shifts down at my job, and you know, I wasn't born to the rich nor the famous, so the only way you gotta do it is to do it. Gotta wake up early, start early, end late. 12-hour days, as I preached before my first video. It's really just, you gotta make it work, you know, suck it up, be a man. Man up, as they say. That's what California survival is all about. It's all about doing what has to be done. And work your butt off and have something to show for it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to have a different topic on the next video, something I think you guys will enjoy, so stay tuned, alright? Live wild, live free, live off grid. This is all I found, just a couple feathers here and there. I had a bag of trash left out, and the birds definitely were picking through the trash. Over here too. Rest in peace, Master P. Once I get this water pressure situation going, plan on building a box around that water heater to keep it insulated. Then taking measurements of this side of the house, and then ripping down this, taking measurements of the porch and ripping down this side, this porch, and fixing it up, putting this wall in, try to find a bigger window for that left window right there.